All right, man, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go over, we're going to get the gold from these low grade pens. This is 321 grams of mixed pens. We're going to get the tin off first, so we'll recover it with muriatic acid, hydrochloric acid. This is about 32%, so I'm not really going to add water. I'm just going to add this straight. So stick with me. We're going to pour these in here and then cover with the muriatic acid and let that sit for a couple of days, and then we will continue. So we just covered it up. It's been like 5 seconds, and you can see we're already starting to get a reaction. So I'm looking forward to getting rid of this tin first, and then we'll go after it, probably Poorman's Nitric. So we'll be dealing with this real shortly. All right, the pens have been sitting for 4 days. We're going to decant that and boil it in hot water, and then we will probably use a poor man's nitric to start going after those base metals. Bird's eye view. Check out where the ferrous sulfate's starting to crash out of solution. See it on the bottom too. I'm gonna heat it up. We're gonna filter it and make some more ferrous sulfate. All right, it's time to make some poor man's nitric. We've added a little bit of water. I'm going to add some sulfuric acid and then a couple tablespoons of potassium nitrate to make poor man's nitric. And we're going to attack those pens. These are teaspoons, so we're going to add 3. I might add 4. All right. This is 3. And we'll add, how about 3.5? That's a good number. Oh, 4, fuck it. All right, that's a pretty rigorous reaction there. I'm going to take that off the heat. It's off, but it's still, a little warm, and I've got to get my spray bottle ready. Off camera, we added some distilled water and a teaspoon of potassium nitrate, and you can see the reaction has resumed. So I took it off the heat, and we'll just let it cook down, and we'll check back on it, I don't know, in an hour or so. So this is it. Low grade pens, poor man's nitric. All right, so here we are. We have a little bit of an unanticipated mess. We've got some golden little sparkles in there floating around. I'm gonna capture when I filter it out. But man, on the bottom, let me see if I can give you a bottom shot. I'll have to glove up, hold on for a second. All right, bottom shot coming up. Man, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? So we're gonna pour this off. I know we're gonna have a little bit of mess here, but what I'm going after is the sediment on the bottom. Man, I almost forgot about this. We're still cooking away. We're going at the base metals. I think this is the third day, so definitely getting there. And there you're starting to see the gold on the bottom. So hopefully we'll be finished by, I don't know, Friday. All right, I just got off work. We have the foils here, some potassium sulfate crystals here. And man, I hope that is not metastatic acid. But we're going to filter all that off till I get to the protective crystal layer. We'll heat that up in water and then we'll start to examine what the foils look like. So let's see if I can give you a bottom shot. That's not bad looking. So when we come back, we'll hopefully have all this mess filtered out and a working project. All right, so I rinsed those crystals off and poured it into my filter, like my pre-filter. Man, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got some activity going on in there. And look, it's a different oxidation state of copper. See how that's green now instead of blue? So I think that's just the oxidation is just a little different on the copper. But if anybody knows, leave a comment, tighten me up. Last night I decided to put the rest of those pens and the gold foils in a bleach and hydrochloric acid solution. And what I'm going to do now is we're just going to test, see if we have gold in solution here. And just do 2. And 1 second while I get the Stannis ready. Oh man, that's just faint. I need to test this solution. Probably should have tested it. My Stannis is looking a little cloudy. This is my gold standard solution. Oh, the Stannis test. The Stannis chloride test is not looking too good. So there's a little gold in there. Probably not a lot. We'll let that sit for a couple of days and see if it gets better. So for the most part, we've gotten most of the gold out of these pens. I see a few flakes that may deserve just a small run of leaching again. So we'll just see. I think that might be appropriate. We'll put this in a filter and leach it and see what happens. So we've rinsed this down. It's little fragments. We'll test this for gold. I'll refilter that, and we're going to reduce the volume and then drop. Sorry, man, my dog ran off chasing the deer. I had to go after it. Of course, you can see a change here. We've got a little gold drop. I'm going to heat it up. We'll come back and check it out. It's not going to be a lot, man, but, you know, we're going after whatever we can get. So this is the gold that was dropped out recently with SMB and dirty solution. We'll refine that next with hydrochloric acid and then drop it with copper sulfate. All right, we're going to do a pivot on this. I'm going to dissolve this in aqua regia and then drop with iron sulfate to clean that up. I feel like I've been pouring off a lot, and it's just a little bit anyway, man. Let's dissolve it in aqua regia and come back to it. So we're going to cover this with HCl and titrate the nitric acid into it to dissolve the gold, and we're going to drop it with ferrous sulphate. All right, so we have filtered that solution, the chloruric acid, until it is crystal clear, and I am going to add a little sulfamic acid to denox. Add just a little more. See bubbles. All right, now I'm gonna go prepare some solution of iron sulfate. Drop, make sure. Yeah, we're good. All right. All right, we're gonna add a little heat to this. Come back. All right, we're gonna clean this up. This is the dirty gold from the assorted pins and low-grade gold. We'll put a little hydrochloric acid on it. We're gonna let it sit. Come back to it. All right, so we're just gonna let that sit. I might heat it up later, but you can see I'd be lucky to get half a gram of gold out of that. All right, so it's been boiling for about 20 minutes. We'll turn it off, let it cool down, and I'll rinse it tomorrow. Probably pour off the hydrochloric acid. Keep it. There you go, there's a close-up of it.